Right now, you need to stop wasting time. Your 20s are not going to happen twice. You already know this. Like, I'm not teaching you anything right now, but do you really feel it? Because you know you're gonna die someday. Everybody knows that, duh, but you don't feel it. And that's why you afford to waste more and more time. Because you don't feel the pain of wasting your life yet, but one day you will, unless you take control and change things now. Your 20s is the best possible time to take risks. You don't have kids, you don't have a family depending on you, or if you do, it's a pretty rare circumstance. But my point is, now more than ever, you need to take risks. You need to have balls, for fuck's sake. Do what you want. Or you can be like 99% of people who are just gonna sit on their lazy asses and do nothing, and then not have the life they want. It's completely up to you. Are you gonna do what it takes? Pay the price for success? Or no? No one can make that choice for you. Now, if you don't know what to do, you don't know how to get started, you don't know how to make money online, that's normal. And even if you think you know what to do, then you probably don't. Why? Because if you already knew how to make 10k per month, you would have done it already. So unless you've made, like I did, 4.3k in 48 hours selling online courses, you don't know shit. You don't know how to do it. If you did, you would have made more money already. So take advice from the people who are further ahead than you. Lose your ego a little bit. That's what I did. I had a mentor, and in just one call with that mentor, I literally more than 10x'd my business. I increased my income by like 25,000%, something like that. It was a gigantic number. When previously, I only had made $1,000 or a few grand a year. That was below the poverty line, dude. But at some point, I just admitted to myself I did not know everything. And I got a mentor, and I made more money than I can count ever since. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.